movie Blue Oranges talks about Kevin and Shalini, who were in love with each other, and Kevin was a fine painter. But their marriage was called off due to certain reasons, mostly financial, because she was from a well-off family and the father objected. So they got separated, and after 8 years, one fine day they happened to meet each other. So they just had a good time. They conversation, and they just met in the house. And then Kevin had already moved on, so he just bid farewell to Shalini, and he just walked out. And in the meantime, what had happened? There was a lawyer, detective and a lawyer, and the detective's family was wiped out. The wife was pregnant, and they met with an accident. And Shalini was driving the car, and even she got injured. This happened in the past. And what happened? The daughter got handicapped. She was on a wheelchair, and she was not able to even speak. All this happened due to the accident. And Shalini was actually guilty about it, but then it didn't happen intentionally, and she kept on lingering over that matter, because sometimes she saw the man who actually wanted to take revenge. Kirti, his name was, and he pretended to be very innocent in the beginning, and he brought series of suspects, saying that the pilot also visited her that day. Kevin was there, so Kevin was imprisoned, and he said that he may be the suspect, he may have murdered, because Shalini in the meantime was murdered. That particular night when Shalini and Kevin had met, when Kevin left, Shalini was found dead in the morning when Kevin returned. So there were series of suspects. Then there was one neighbor who was just down of Shalini's house, and the neighbor's son was a drug addict. So he met with an accident because he was found guilty, but he was not. The main guilty person was Kirti, the one who was the detective and who actually wanted to take revenge from Shalini, just because his family was totally destroyed just because of her. And that fine day, he wore the suit of a pilot so that nobody could recognize him, and he entered Shalini's premises, and she was banged on the head, and she collapsed. And later on, when he felt a kind of guilt, or maybe he thought that now he should make this very clear, and he unearthed the entire story. Even Rati Agnihotri is there, and Rati Agnihotri's hubby, he was also suspected, but he was also innocent. All 3-4 suspects, Anurag was Rati Agnihotri's hubby, and even for some time, even Rati thought that he may have some hand in killing of Shalini. But the real culprit was that detective himself, and later on he unearthed this clandestine thing, and he was imprisoned. But then he wanted his friend lawyer to fight the case back for him, so that he could get out and not life imprisonment or something. It's a very good directed movie, and it will keep you intact on your place. So it's a must watch. It's a thriller, 4.5 to 5 stars.